Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about stock investing. Hi guys, Tony here and I am here to teach you everything you need to know about money. Money hacks, money tricks, tips, investing, saving, lahat ng alam ko ituturo ko sa inyo. So don't forget to click the subscribe button and the like button and yung doorbell sign dyan para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko. At nandito na naman po tayo sa aking munting kwarto. Wow, munting kwarto with the green background and this Justice League poster, puzzle piece, whatever it is. With of course this pink pillow na hindi po sa akin. Promise hindi po sa akin yan. And I am here to talk about something na very requested ng not only by my friends but a lot of people. Now, they want to invest. People want to invest. Millennials wants to invest, but they don't know how. They don't know where to put the money. And I am here to talk to you about where to put it. I am thankful and grateful for all the comments that I have received lately. It means that people are really interested and willing to learn about investing. Ngayon, one thing that you all should remember is that you should not invest on something that you don't understand. So understand first what you are going to put your money to before you actually do it. Ngayon, ang rule of thumb daw is bago ka mag-invest on anything, you should know how to explain it in one sentence. Kung hindi mo kaya siyang i-explain, kung magulo pa siya sa'yo, don't invest yet. Don't put your money on a business or an investment yet. Know what you are getting into first. Know what you are investing on first. Know how will you earn money. Know the risks before you spend money on anything, on any business, on any investment, mutual fund, stock market, lahat. Alamin niyo po muna. Lahat. Okay? Let's get into business. Para naman hindi kayo nabobore na masyado. Let me first explain to you what is the stock market. The stock market is a pool of all of the richest companies selling their business to the public. What do I mean by that? Technically, any business needs money to run their business. Every business needs to invest more money into their venture or to another venture. It's like Jollibee venturing into coffee bean, to coffee shops, diba? It's like Jollibee wanting to buy Chowking, wanting to buy Greenwich. Nag-open sila ng another venture, so they need money for that. So that's why they have the stock market to get more money for their future investments, kung paano pa nila lalong papalakihin pa ang kanilang company. Okay? What do these companies do in order to get more money? So, ang ginagawa nila is they sell their shares into the public. And now these shares are now available in the stock market. To make the long story short, business needs money, they sell their shares to make money, and then people buy their shares so that they earn more money. Okay? Ganun lang kasimple po yun. So that is the stock market. So technically, kung bumili ka ng share, let's say ni Jollibee, let's say bumili ka ng 5 shares ni Jollibee. Pumasok ka ng Jollibee store. Pwede mong sabihin, part owner ako ng company na to. Pero wag nyo na lang pong gagawin kasi baka pagtingnan kayo ng mga tao. That's it. So if you buy one of their shares, technically and well, literally, you are a part owner of Jollibee. If you buy an SM stock, you are now a part owner of the SM stock. Technically, I am a part owner of Jollibee, SM, San Miguel, even DMCI. O, diba? Parang ang yaman-yaman ko na tuloy, pero nandito pa rin tayo sa green na background ng kwarto ko. How do we earn now in stock investing since part owners na nga tayo? There are 2 ways on how you can earn in the stock market. First is what we call the stock appreciation. What is this stock appreciation? If you have watched and tried my previous video about the Gcash investment feature, that was actually the trial mode natin dito sa stock market. So perfect na perfect dahil nasimulan mo na, na-try mo na investing on a small money, small capital there. Ganito lang din yon. So we buy, let's say, Jollibee 10 years ago. Jollibee was only 70 pesos. You bought 70 pesos 10 years ago. Ngayon, I believe mga nasa 90 pesos na po si Jollibee stock ngayon. Kung isipin mo, 10 years ago, you bought Jollibee 70 pesos and then now it's 90 pesos and then you're deciding to sell it now, tumubo ka na. Nang kunyari, you have 20 stocks, 20 times 30 lang naman yon, diba? So, ganun yung unang way on how you can earn. So, buying low, selling high. That's the key point of what I am trying to say. So, buying low, selling high, that's the first way on how you can earn in the stock market. Before we get into the second point, or the second way on how you can earn in the stock investing, I'm going to explain to you the two types of investors in the stock market. Na-mention ko nga before pa sa earlier video ko na there are two types of investor, the long-term investor and the short-term investor. I am a long-term investor, as I have said nang paulit-ulit. Nasabi ko na po, I'm a long-term investor because I don't really have the time to check every day on the stock market. So, ang ginagawa ko is iniiwan ko lang, just check the news about the stocks, the news about the companies, and then I'm good. And then, kapag malala na, that's the time na sabihin ko, oops, it's time to review the stocks. Ganon. Now, there are the short-term investors na yung tipong may time magbantay ng stocks during the stock market. What do I mean by that? Kasi ang stock market opens at, I think, 9 and then ends at 4. And syempre ako, may day job po ako, kaya hindi ko po siya nababantayan. So, there are the short-term investors who have the time to check the market during the market times. And ang ginagawa nila, this day, bibilin ko to, pag tumaas na, in a couple of days, benta ko na. Ganon sila kumikita. Bantay, benta, bili ng maliit, makikita nilang tataas yung market, yung stock na yon, and then when they're satisfied with the growth of their stock, they sell. And then they earn money from there. So that's the short-term investors. Ganon po sila gumagalaw. Ako po, iniiwan ko lang po yung stocks. Binibase ko po yung earnings ko through the second point I'm about to say. On the second point on how you can earn in the stock market, it's by dividends. What is a dividends? It's basically parang pa-thank you, or pag may extra money yung company, let's say they've done a good year, they've done a good month, may extra money si company. So, ang ginagawa niya, yung extra money na yon, they give it to their shareholders. So, since shareholder ka, part ka ng company, magkakaroon ka ng share sa mga pinapamigay nila. Ganun lang naman po yun. So, you will earn a share every time na they will have extra money in the company. As long as they're doing good, you will get your share. I'll show you later yung mga na-earn ko interest. Take note lang, it is small because honestly, I've been a bad investor. I have not placed more money in my investment stock portfolio. Mali po yun if you're really serious about investing in the stock market. Medyo lax pa ako eh. Joke lang. Now that I have explained to you yung basics about stock market, what is a stock market, how you earn, now let's dive into how you can invest. Basically, you can't really invest in the stock market without a brokerage firm. There are a lot of brokerage firm here in the Philippines, and I can say that I am a little biased with my chosen brokerage because I chose something that is easy for me, and I'll show you in a bit what I'm talking about. We have a lot of brokerage firm here in the Philippines, as I said. Pwede ka mag-invest in the stocks using COL Financial. That's the most famous one. We also have banks who also have this stock market feature. So you have BPI, you have BDO who have stock market feature. East Bank, parang lahat ata ng banks meron. COL Financial is the only thing I can remember right now na hindi bangko. Personally, I use BPI because it's easy. I have a BPI account, and one day naisip ko I want to invest in the stock market. They have it. It's called BPI Trade. That's what I use now because tamad kasi ako mag-transfer ng pera. So technically, what I have in my ATM, I just transfer to the connected BPI Trade account. And then that's it. I have my money, I can invest easily. That's why I'm a little biased, but I have heard that COL Financial is one of the best where you can invest your money. Okay? As I've said, I'm a little biased. I'll show you my portfolio. I have invested in the stock market for 3 or 4 years na ata. I'm not so sure. I'll show you how much I'm earning using just the dividends. Again, wag po kayong masyadong mag-expect kasi again, maliit lang po yung in-invest ko. But in BPI, you can start as low as 5,000 pesos. I think in COL, it's also the same. Or I think nag-lower sila ng 1,000. I had to double check on that. I'll post it below sa comment section. I'll show you right now my current BPI Trade account. I'll also show you how much I've earned with the dividends, and of course what you should look at when you're investing in the stock market. Let me show you real quick my BPI Trade account. Ayan. Again, this is gonna be the basics, so hindi ko muna ituturo yung step-by-step guide. For the next video na po yun. I'm just teaching you what you need to know about stock market investing before you actually start on trading. This is just to raise my point about being a long-term investor, that we base our earnings through dividends. Okay, as I have said, I have been trading for quite some time now, 1 to 2 to 3 years na ata. And ito na so far yung kinita ko. Actually, umabot na akong 4,000, pero I sold some things, I sold some stocks, I bought some more, and medyo bumaba din yung stock market. That's why only 487 yung profits ko, but still, it's 487 pesos added to my account without me doing anything. Literally, bumili lang ako and kumita na ako. We're trying to build some passive incomes. Earn while you sleep. Yung mga tipong hindi mo kailangan magtrabaho pero alam mong may pera ka. Yung mga ganon, di ba? Now, let me show you my bank account para makita nyo yung mga kinikita ko so far in terms of dividends. Yung kanina, yun yung bumili ako ng mababa pero ngayon mataas na yung value niya. Yun yung kita ko from that pa lang. Iba pa yung dividends na sinasabi ko. Itong mga nasa bank account ko ngayon, although maliliit na amount, is because explain ko lang na dahil maliit lang din yung in-invest ko. Like, I had only 10 stocks, 5 stocks of this company. Kung mas pinalaki ko, mas malamang mas malaki din yung dividends na nakuha ko. Pero, it is what it is. Usually, ang game talaga dito is to build your portfolio. Palakihin mo lang ng palakihin. Let's say today you'll buy 10. The next time, you buy 50 stocks of that. Ibig sabihin, mas malaki kang binibili, mas malaki din yung dividends mo. Siyempre, the more shares you have, the bigger your dividends will be. So, instead of 6 pesos, who knows when I buy more stocks, maging 20 pesos na yan. Pero wala akong ginagawa. Diba? Nagkakaroon lang ako ng pera monthly through dividends, but I'm not doing anything. I am just controlling, buying, and maintaining the stocks that I have. Sayang lang na hindi ko mapapakita yung mga dating transactions, dividends, kasi nag-delete ata ng BPI yung transaction histories ko, kaya I'm really sorry I can't show you for the past few months pa. But anyway, this is what I get, this is what it is, and that's about it. And that's about it. That's the basics. That's what you need to know before you start investing in the stock market. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, please let me know down in the comments below. Don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And I do hope to see you again soon. Bye!